Hey YouTube, today I want to install this motion activated sensor light. This is LED Energizer. It's going to be going into my kid's closet. It does take the C4 batteries, four of them. Open up the box and see what it comes with. Alright, empty. Here's the light itself. So we're gonna open the back. It does come with 2 screws and 2 anchors. And as I said, it takes 4 C4 type batteries. So just to give it a try before we install it, make sure it works. So we're gonna install these batteries and see how it performs. All right, now let's install these brand new batteries. There you go. It's, by the way, it's 100 lumens, the light output. Let's remove the batteries for now. And now we're gonna install it inside a closet. Let's do it. So this is inside the closet at the moment, but right now we do not have any lighting inside the closet. We do have a light obviously inside the room, but let me turn off the lights and then you'll see how dark it gets. It's pretty much pitch black. But then, just for reference, after we install the light on top there, we'll see how it'll look without room lights being turned on. So I'm thinking I'm gonna install it right in the middle right here up on the ceiling. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll see how it looks. All right. There you go. And now let's turn off the lights and then we'll see the difference. All right, let's turn off the lights. So it's pitch black. And voila. And that's how it looks when the room is completely dark. This is perfect. It came out exactly how we wanted it. So yeah, that is it. So this was just a little upgrade to our closet, kids closet. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna like it. I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Bye.